We are now going to get to the connectivity part of the device for all the E20 users. Keep your speaker kit and your spacers handy for this section. Invert your helmet with your device connected. At this point, start removing your liner. It also gives you, this is a good time for you to clean your liner. Start disassembling the liner. This step requires a little bit of patience. Start with the USB end first to get the length right. You can connect it in the port provided to the side. Take a good proper measurement to where the connector is, and then start inserting it into the helmet area underneath the liner. It's now time for you to have your microphone in place. Proceed to remove the sticker release sheet, which exposes the adhesive, and place it on the left side of the vent. That is the most ideal spot for the microphone. After which you proceed to have the speakers inserted. Peel off the sticker release sheet of the left speaker. The left speaker is the one with the shorter cable. Go ahead and fix that in place. After you fit your left speaker, you continue to run the cable for the right hand side speaker along the helmet wall all the way to the other side, and proceed to fit the right hand side speaker in the cavity provided. Most helmets, or some helmets, do have a cavity. You can use the spacer provided. To be fit inside the cavity first, in case you want the speakers closer to your ear, and continue to fit the speakers over the spacer provided. Now that we are done with the installation of the speakers and the microphone, you can proceed to fit the liners back, covering all the wire.